Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur has firmly stated that the current crisis in the state has got nothing to do with the Meitei or Meitei Scheduled Tribe ST demand movement. President of the committee, Yumnam Dheeraj, said it is now very clear that the 𝐃𝐄𝐍𝐃 terrorists waged a war against the Meiteis in the backdrop of a hidden agenda during the Tribal Solidarity March organized by All Tribal Students Union Manipur at Assam. Addressing media persons at Pawoibi Hotel, North AOC today, Dheeraj further said a bill discussed in 2019 to include 41 communities of Assam in the ST list is still pending. This can be passed any moment. If this bill gets passed, only Meitei or Meitei will be left out of the ST list in the entire Northeast, being an indigenous community, added Dheeraj. He said a reminder representation was submitted to the Chief Minister on the 6th of this month. STDCM has also been taking active part in all movements in the current crisis, added Dheeraj.
Awang nongko Bharat Nasional, Meitei khatana indigenous community marta ST ugam taba atene loin odi baile akoi bibam kai kudom thingai poitraba akoi isolate tawraba niam ni population na chini tomana tadana akoi mission sarga abata leitadana akoi pasok ren buro bibam ta leo gutoriba badu thara yadada leirba position aduna tangai fadana akoi ST se ओइदबग दमक मणिपुर सरकारना हौजि अथुबदा कोर्ट की राय अमनसु चाहि अमगे मनुदा पुथोकदबने हायदसु एनी टाइम पुथोक यायबा मनु सही दु गाइदु तली मुता लाकदब कुदों थीबसि गेने हाय कादा लाकदब लोकसभा इलेक्शन नसि नंबर 2024 तोकदब इलेक्शन ममांदा मते तंगाई फदना एसटी हेंदबा मणिपुर सरकार ना पिफम चौपरी कॉम्बिनेशन अवधि मधुग लोइदबा संगदब पेपर्सन अवधि एथनोग्राफी अवधि सोशियो इकोनॉमिक सर्वे रिपोर्ट विविधना याम सुना थापी नबा है वैसे अत्यंत ट्राइब डिमांड कमिटी अमुक मणिपुर लेपाकी सरकार सिगी वफकदा है ना जक्शन वही थबदरी